Hi everyone, Del here, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Bushmaster Bushcraft Explorer knife by United Cutlery. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe and click the bell. Let's take a look. So let's take a look at the Bushmaster Bushcraft Explorer. These come in at about £40, so it's a great price for a budget bushcraft knife. So out of the box, it comes in a nice Scout Carry leather sheath, also with the belt loop option in the back. I really like this. £40, a great budget. The knife itself, as you can see, I have been using it. So a little bit about the knife. Overall it's just under 9 inches long with a 4.5 blade. It's got a grey powder coat for protection against corrosion, which I think is a great option. Some people like it, some people don't. It's got a hardwood handle, brass pins and a lanyard hole. I love the shape of this. I've got big hands and it fits it really well. It does look like the Condor Bushlore, but there is a difference just in the profile a little bit. I like the weight of it. It's 353 grams, I believe. It's 1095 steel with a sharpened spine. It's a cracking budget. £40 compared to leaders out there. That's nice. So that's the Bushmaster, and then that's the Condor Bushlore. As you can see, they're very similar in shape and size. Bushmaster is slightly thicker. Personally, I think it's got a better shape on the handle, but overall it is slightly longer too. But they are very similar knives indeed. I have to say though, I do prefer the Bushmaster. I'm a huge fan of jimping on knives. This doesn't have it. I think if this had jimping it'd be perfect, but then that would probably make it over the budget mark, to be honest with you. Maybe something you could add if you didn't want to destroy the heat treatment. There's no heat treatment stats on it, but I presume it's between 56 and 58 HRC. There's not actually a lot of stats on the knife itself, other than it's made by United Cutlery, hollow grind, 1095, hardwood handle, brass pins. But yeah, quick comparison for you against the Bushlore, which I think it looks like. So if you've noticed the grind, it's a hollow grind, which is very similar to a Scandi grind. It's razor sharp coming out the box. We'll take a look at that, but I have been using it and I've not stropped it yet. So yeah, that's the Bushmaster Bushcraft Explorer. It's a great knife. As a camp knife, I really like it. Hope you do too. You can check it out on Tactical Knives UK. They've got some left in stock for about £40, so it's a great overall price. Get there and check it out. So everyone, that was just a quick overview of that Bushmaster Bushcraft Explorer. So as you can see, I think it's a pretty decent overall budget budget knife. Let's see if I can get a bit of focus on that for you. So overall, I think it's a good bushcraft knife. Basic. I like the shape and size of it. I don't know if you can see, but it's actually got a cobra's head. Do you see that? I don't know if you're a fan of the Cobra Kai and on Netflix, and I'm thinking, does this go against justice for Johnny and the Eagle Fang? Are we actually subconsciously Cobra Kai members? A little bit of trivia there for you. So there you go. That was a quick overview of the Bushmaster Bushcraft Explorer. I really like it for what it is. Half the price of the Condor, but actually I think it's really good. So check out tacticalknives.co.uk. Have a good one, stay safe, and don't forget to hit the subscribe. Cheers everyone, happy Easter.